Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you can join me today. Me and my sleepy sidekicks who are at the moment awake. Say hi, Zizi. Say hi. Wyatt is here too. Can you say hi? Say hi. So I have a StitchFix unboxing for you today. There it is, StitchFix. So excited. StitchFix is a styling service. I think it's a $20 styling fee. I use the Style Pass. So sometimes they'll offer that styling pass, $49 one-time fee for the entire year, covers your styling fees for the entire year. So I don't have that. And you get 5 items: clothing, shoes, accessories based on your profile. And you can get it as often or as little as you would like. I will put my referral link down below in case you would like to give it a try. I love Stitch Fix. And let's dig in. My stylist, it was Jess for many of my boxes, and she was on leave last time, so we'll have to see who my stylist is. My last box was a good one, so I had a different stylist. I think her name was Cassandra, but she did a good job. So right inside the box here, it does tell you what you need to do once you get your box. So easy peasy. Here's the inside of my box. You do get an envelope to return anything that you don't love and don't want to keep. And I have got several bundles in here. So here's one. Here's 2. So I was checking it out. They just did a bark box, so now they think everything's for them. Looks like I got shoes. All right, so a nice big box here. I will just check my stylist right now, and then we'll look what's here, then read notes, and then do prices. So, looks like my stylist is back. Yes, and this is fix number 44. All right, let's see what's here. Zena's throwing stuff on the ground. All right, first up is something black. Looks like a sweater from Madison, Lilly. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the front. It looks like a nice, long, medium weight sweater. This is very cute. And check out the back. So that's cute. Very cute. All right, let me move these shoes. Oh, I'm sorry, Z. She's like, anything that I'm moving right now, she's like looking at thinking that it could be a bark box. All right, next bundle here. All right. Jeans. This is cut from the cloth, ankle skinny, and these are the Collette. I don't have Collette. I have Connie, I think, and I just got something in my wantable, but I don't think they were Collette. So let's check these out. So these have this darker stripe. So it's just the wash. There's no stitching or anything sewn on here. This is just like a darker wash down the side, creating that tuxedo style striping. Very cool. Very cool. I have a feeling I feel like I like those in the style game. Very cool. So just checking out the size. These are size 2. Okay. So I'm excited to try those on. They do have the raw hem here. So I like those. Those are cute. All right, next up is a sweater cardigan. It's a cardigan by Honey Punch. Honey Punch. I have never heard of that brand before. And this looks like navies and tans. And it is nice and long. yeah, so that's cute. All right. And last for the clothing is another sweater. This is another cardigan. Okay, so this is another cardigan in tans and blacks. Yeah, so it looks like whites. So that's cute. And I do see, let's see, there's a snap here. And it looks like it goes, okay, so it just is at the collar here and snaps over here on the side. So a wrap front. Other than that, I don't see any other closures. All right, so that's cute. And shoes. All right, so these are by BC, and they are a peep toe, which is tough at this time of year living in Pennsylvania because we have already had our first snow, which means there's much more to come. So here they are. And they look like they have a tie around the ankle here as well. So if you guys can see that. And I'd say that's what? Probably a 3.5 inch heel at least. All right. So let me read my stylist notes and then we'll do the try on. All right, let's see. Laura, you're back. Happy fix day. I'm so sorry I had some unexpected things come up and missed your last fix, but I'm glad Cassandra took great care of you. I'm sorry I wasn't able to find the pieces you fell in love with on the style game. Okay, so I did ask for a few things on the style game this time. I picked out a few pieces. I think I asked for a cardigan and a jacket. I also did ask for shoes, which I did get, so I got shoes. So I did find a few that are similar that go along with your pins, so let me know what you think. You pinned a Boucle coat again in gray, so I found this one by Market and Spruce that was almost a cross between that and the printed poncho pin next to it. It'll be perfect for the BC footwear booties and the cut from the cloth two-tone skinnies. Those skinnies are also perfect for the honey punch cardigan too. This was as close as I could find to the Evolution cardigan you saw. So there was an Evolution cardigan that I actually saw on Instagram or Facebook that I asked for. That one wasn't in the style game. It was actually one they had posted on one of their social media pages I asked for. I will keep looking for the Dylan jacket, but let me know what you think of these, and if we don't chat sooner, happy Thanksgiving, XO Jess. I'm so happy Jess is back. Thank you, Jess. So happy you're back. All right, so let's get to this try on. Okay, so I have on the black sweater with the cool back detailing, which let me show you here. And I put on the cut from the cloth jeans that also have this fun berry, I think it's a nice subtle striping since it's just a darker wash. And I put on the shoes as well, which I do have to say that if I keep these, I need to size up. They are very tight on me. So I'll have to check sizing and see if a size up is available, because right now my toes are being squished out of them, which isn't good. But they are very cute, and I'm fairly certain I had pinned something very similar to these. I just think I'm not going to get a ton of wear out of them throughout the winter, the rest of fall and winter now in Pennsylvania, because it's pretty cold outside, and we have already gotten snow, and there is snow flurries in the forecast here in the next few days. So we do get occasionally nice weather though, and I am one who would break out the toes if it's nice outside. So if the temperatures get in the high 50s, I would be one who would pull out the peep-toed booties. So I think they're cute. They do wrap around your ankle and tie, which is cute. So I do really like these jeans. They fit very well. They're a nice fit in the waist. They have no distressing other than the raw hem here. So I think I could even wear these to work as long as I hid that hem inside a booty, actually. And I'm liking them. I love the fit of cut from the cloth jeans. All right, let's try on the next sweater. All right, so here is the first cardigan with this blues and tans and whites in it. And I just put on a white tee with it to see what it would look like. I still have the same pants and shoes on. So I think it's a cute cardigan. It does have these pockets in the front. And it has this shawl-like collar to it. I think it looks cute with these shoes as well, since it has the browns in it. Okay, one more cardigan. Okay, and here is the last cardigan, which has many different colors in it as far as tans and blacks and grays and whites, I think. Okay, so I also think this cardigan looks nice with these shoes. And this has no pockets. It's very soft. It has a snap closure here at the top. So there is a snap here that snaps all the way over here. And then it snaps over here, like this. And I'm fine with this one, but this one right here has to not be snapped for me to be able to wear this. So as long as that one's not snapped, which I don't know if that's going to let it hang right, maybe not, just because of my whole neck issues. But I can't, oh, that one was way too tight. So I'm not sure. That might not allow it to hang right. I might have to just leave it open. Oh, these neck issues. Starting to limit what I can wear here. So it's making it a little bit bunched up right here, I think. So my best option with this one is probably going to be to just wear it open. Sweet relief there. Anyway, that was even, I think, starting to bother me a little bit. Okay. So I think the colors of this are cute. But it does come up awfully high on the neck. All right, I'll be right back for a quick wrap up. All right, so let's check pricing now. The footwear, so the BC footwear, which were these, which were in a size 8 and my normal size, but way too small. These are $80. So I do think these are super cute. They're calling this cognac. I liked them, but I'm gonna have to see if I can get an 8.5. My toes are like being squished out of them. So I definitely need a size bigger. Next up, I'm like out of breath running around here. Whew, I need to be in better shape. The Cut from the Kloth Collette two-tone frayed jeans. These are $88. So I really did like these. I like the two-tone effect. I think they look really cute on. They fit well. And I really did like these. Next was the Honey Punch cardigan. I believe that's this one, right? No, this one's the Market and Spruce. That's this one. What did you guys think of this? This one's the Honey Punch Rivington Boho graphic cardigan, and they're calling this gray. I don't think that looks gray at all. That definitely looks tan to me. This is $64. So this is a maybe for me. I didn't think it was bad. I think it's very pretty. I like it. I don't love it. Next up was the Market and Spruce. So that would be this one. They're also calling this gray. I think that looks tan as well. This is the Talisha Boucle wrap cardigan. And this is $74. So I'm struggling with that one. In the style card, they do show this open. So it looks very pretty open. I would probably have to wear it that way. It's too tight in the neck for me to wear it closed, and that makes it tough, right? So it's a maybe for me. Again, I like it, but I don't love it. So, and last is the Madison Lilly Alijah Lace Up Black Detail Pullover. This was $44. So again, I liked this. It's a cute basic, but I thought it was prettier in the back than in the front. And I thought it looked a little boxy on me. So you guys are going to have to let me know what you thought of this one. This is also a maybe. So everything was $350. If I bought it all, it would be 25% off, and I would get $87.50 off, bringing it to a total of $262.50. And like I said, I do the style pass, so I don't have the $20 styling fee. If I did, that would come off a bit as well. So here, if you want to see the other style cards, here's what they look like for some of those other outfits. I like how they have the black with a little leopard skirt there. That's cute. So please, please, please let me know what you think of this box. What should I do? Ugh, I'm not sure if I should keep everything. I do like the jeans. I like the boots if I can switch them out, and I'm not sure about the other 3 pieces. So please comment below. Let me know what you think. From me and my sleepy sidekicks, we're so glad you joined us today. They are getting ready to take a nap. Zena can tell you goodbye. Say thank you. And Wyatt's perking up now. You want to tell everybody thank you for watching. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and show me some support. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. I would love if you could give me a like for this video. I will put all of these items down below, so in case you'd like to request any of them. And I will put my referral link as well. Till next time, everybody, have a great day. Bye.